I think this is one of the best photos I've ever taken. When I was taking this photo, I knew it was going to be pretty good, but I didn't know it was going to be like it is right here. You know how like a photo looks great in your camera, but you don't really know how well it's going to turn out in your computer, and then it gets a little wonky sometimes? This one's crazy for me. It's a photo of a sanderling that I took in Pass Christian this morning, and it is just the cutest little thing ever. Like, isn't this bird just adorable? And he just looks like he's on a little mission. I can't wait to show you that photo as well as many more that I've taken across the Gulf Coast this morning. So stay tuned for more.